windy up here. You can see off in the distance there, that is the Hard Rock Cafe right there. Over there is Miami in that direction, and you really can't even see the lights of Miami because it's so there's so much cloud cover. Clouds are moving pretty quickly. A lot of lightning and thunderstorm activity going on over in that direction. I think I just saw some lightning over here somewhere. It's raining pretty good out there. So yeah, I will keep you posted from up here in the tower tomorrow and the next day as this rolls in, and maybe we might catch a tornado or something up here. That'd be pretty cool. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna try to get some photography tonight. Brought my camera and my tripod up, so I thought I'd try to get some of this lightning that we're seeing. So we'll see. So from Florida with the hurricane, this is Super Dave signing out. Woo! You can see those palm trees sticking straight out. Surf's up quite a bit. The beach is just getting pounded tonight. We're not even on the west coast. We are on the east coast, so we're still getting a lot of wind, a lot of storms here. Woo! It is coming down out here. I've never seen the quarter deck closed. First time since I've been here. The quarter deck never closes. Pretty heavy storm moving in here. And again, see those palm trees just bent sideways. And there's the quarter deck, again closed. Someone's on the other side over there with a spotlight. Yeah, if you wanted to take a walk on the beach tonight, you pretty much have it to yourself. There's one other car in the parking lot, and they're still in the vehicle.